Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 8th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. We'll kick off from New Zealand, where we saw the inflation expectations number come in at 1.24%, as the Kiwi dollar had a strong session yesterday. That was mainly on the back of stronger Australian and Chinese trade data, with the Chinese data, instead of falling by 14%, the Chinese exports actually rose by 8.2%. Kiwi US dollar, as I said, had a strong day yesterday, now currently trading at 61 cents. From the US, we saw the unemployment claims number coming higher than forecasted as the US dollar struggled against most of the majors yesterday, as it appears that investors are positioning themselves ahead of time for tonight's non-farm payroll numbers. Currently, the US yen is trading at 106.30. From the UK, we saw the Bank of England leave rates and its bonds purchase program unchanged with a unanimous vote on that. They also did point out that there were no any negative rates at the moment, but more quantitative easing is almost certain on the cards. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday, so let us now move on to our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning it's the Aussie CAD on a daily timescale. Now, we did look at this chart, I think it was last week. Again, I'll point out that we have a level here where it seems to be acting as resistance. The market has come to that level once. We could argue that it's come to that level again a couple of times over here, and we are there right now again. Now, I pointed it out over here. We didn't quite reach it, and it hasn't pulled back, and it looks like it is attempting to get to this region again. So what I'm looking for is any kind of price action to occur over here. So something typical might be like a candle that looks like this, followed by an inside candle as such. Then on the break of that inside candle is the trigger to take a short trade on that. So the Aussie CAD daily timescale is our chart of the day. Just look out. Let's see if we can form some kind of price action reversal in that hot region which I have marked out for us. What's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning 11:30 locally, the RBA monetary policy statement is due out. Then at 9 o'clock this evening from Europe, we have ECB President Lagarde due to speak. And then all the action really starts at 10:30, where we kick off with from Canada, the unemployment rate and change numbers from Canada, and then simultaneously at 10:30 as well, we have non-farm payrolls from the US. So we'll get the unemployment rate, the average hourly earnings, and of course the job numbers themselves. Now, for those of you who are newer to trading, this is the most anticipated data release in the Forex currency trading world. It can move the markets significantly. Please do not get involved in any trades that you don't want to be part of. If you've never seen the action when this is released, it might be an idea just to have a look at a chart as it pops into 10:30 this evening. There you have it, guys. That wraps up the session. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will speak to you on Monday for the weekly market analysis report. Bye for now.